If you've ever wished that ChatGPT could just live inside of your browser, where you could chat, search, brainstorm without 100 tabs open on your computer, your wish has just come true. I want you to meet ChatGPT Atlas, OpenAI's new browser. It's like the new kid on the block, right? It is game changer. It's a search engine, part productivity hub, and it's like perfect for entrepreneurs, right? Hey there, I'm Debbi Starr. If we've never met, business strategist, systems lover, and your shortcut to working smarter with AI. And today I'm just giving you a first look review at this brand new Chat Atlas browser, what it does, how it's different from the regular Chrome and Safari, and why I think it's going to change the way we research, create, and run our online businesses. Now, Atlas combines directly with ChatGPT, directly with your browser. So again, instead of switching back and forth between all these tabs, you can just literally chat with the web itself. So whether you're building a funnel, you're writing your blog post, you're researching competitors, comparing all these tools, Atlas keeps everything under one umbrella. And yes, it is lightning fast. So I want to show you kind of behind the scenes. And let me just mention this, ChatGPT is not the only kid on the block. Google and a bunch of others are building their browser. So now it's kind of an AI browser game of, who's going to get your love. I use ChatGPT every day, every single day. So it knows me, it knows my history. And so that's why I am absolutely loving this. So let me share my screen. I'm going to share my screen here. And let me show it. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. Now, when you first install it, and for right now, I think it's just for Macs, but they're coming out with the PC version. It's just chatgpt.com/Atlas. I'll put it in the show notes so that you can have that. And when you install it, it gives you these 6 quick little steps to get started. I mean, it was super easy. So you don't need to, freak out about anything like that. And then it opens up a new browser, its own browser. Okay, so here is the browser that I have. And let's just take a quick little look around here. Over here on the left looks like ChatGPT, right? Because here's my little project folders. Here's my current little chat histories, my GPTs, all of that kind of stuff. What's different is if you look up here at the top, we've got a little home button. We've got a search. We've got images, videos, and news. So I had put in a quick little question, give me a written tutorial on what ChatGPT Atlas does and how it works. And so again, just like ChatGPT normally does, it answers that question. So let me just go through the highlights on this, and then we'll play around with where some of the power is, okay? So basically, just like what I said, it's an AI-powered browser. It merges everything into a single workspace, which I absolutely love. So think of Google Chrome, ChatGPT, and all of your productivity tools, all of these GPTs rolled into one. So what's some of the things it can do? It can chat about any web page, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So you open up a web page, Atlas will read that content, and then you could say, hey, would you summarize this page for me? Or what's the main point of the article? Or write a post about this. It understands, so I don't have to copy, I don't have to do the research, copy it, paste it back, all of that kind of stuff. The little side chat is open on the side over here to the right, so that you've always, you're always seeing it. Now, let me say this. If when you first install it, you don't see that little side panel, I had to kind of fight with it for a few minutes to get it to show up. I'm not going to go into details here, but if you go up to the very, very top, Chat GPT Atlas over here on the left, go to your settings. Basically, what you're looking for is, excuse me, I'll open up one of my tabs here. You want something over here to the top right. You want this little button saying Ask ChatGPT, and that's what opens up this little side panel. So basically, you're having a live interactive conversation with Chatty over here while you're looking at this website. All right, so let me come back here and we'll continue. With Atlas, you can also upload files, PDFs, docs, spreadsheets, and so again, you're combining the work that you have. So you could ask ChatGPT, hey, summarize these documents, extract the data, do whatever you want. It includes live web search, which just like any tab, it can just answer those questions and go out on the web and look for those answers. So for instance, what are the latest trends? What are some small grants for historic buildings in Michigan? What are some flights from Indianapolis to Paris? Things like that. And it will give you up-to-date answers, not just training data. You can also connect it with your Google Drive, Gmail, your Google Calendar. Absolutely love that. Again, it's under settings. So as it's saying here, it's truly a workspace that's taking everything that you use every single day in your business and combining them together. All right. So I'm not going to go through the rest here, but I'll summarize it in the show notes. So let me come back over here, and here I'd ask it a question. Give me 5 best use case examples of people using ChatGPT. And again, just like you normally do, you just put in that chat. It gives you the little link here, all of that kind of stuff, right? So if I wanted to do a quick search, it would show me some of these. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Come over here to the tab. And now let me accept all of this. Notice up here at the top, again, ask ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on that. And now this little window opens up, and I'm just going to say, give me a 3-bullet summary of this website or article or whatever it is that I'm looking at. And it will go through. It's in real time. It is reading this. I have no idea what this article's about. And so here it is. Now, what is this going to do? I think we're all going to forget how to read because who needs to read when we can just ask ChatGPT to do it for us? All right. So, I mean, it's that simple to use it. Absolutely loving this. It is definitely going to be a game changer. So if you have not used it, go ahead and install it and let me know what you think. Are you using maybe one of the other browsers out there? Which one has been your favorite? So forth, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're curious about how to use AI in your work, you need to start. If you're using ChatGPT, it just makes sense. Start with Atlas and start playing around with it because it will help create quick little systems, and it will simplify your business. And if you want more help, you should really think about joining my I'm calling my AI Digital Business Academy, because we stay on top of what's the current tools and trends, and I help you simplify your business, help you streamline all of these bits and pieces in your business, and you have me in your back pocket to help you navigate. So put the link down below so you could join us. We'd love to have you and help you get things going with your business. And as always, make sure that you like this, subscribe. Hey, share this with a friend. Make sure you follow so when I come on live or do random things, you can catch me there. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.